Found yourself was locked out off your iPhone because of activation lock? Connect your iPhone to the computer. Open PassFab Activation Unlocker and click Start. Click the link Jailbreak tutorial and go through the article. Click the two links to download Jailbreak tools. Run Rufus and insert your USB. Click Select and choose the ISO file you downloaded before and click Open. Click Start and select Write in DD image mode. Confirm to write the image. Restart the computer and press F12 key to enter boot options. Select USB storage device. Then click Start and Next to put your iPhone into recovery mode. Click Start and follow the instructions on the interface. Restart the computer and open PassFab Activation Unlocker again. Press Start Remove button. Wait for a while and you can remove activation lock successfully.